Hi there, in this video I will show you two ways to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem or Wi-Fi automatically disconnecting issue of your Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to settings and find out software update. Open it. If you found any software update available for your phone, then download and install it. In my case, there is no software update available. Once the process has been completed, restart your phone. After the restart, connect your phone with your Wi-Fi network and check it out your problem has been resolved or remains. If your problem persists, then watch the next method. Method number 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router and restart your phone. After the restart, go to your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap on Forget. Scroll down and find out Developer Options. Open it. If you are unable to find out the developer options, then watch this tutorial here. Scroll down and find out Wi-Fi scan throttling. Turn on it if you found it off. Now turn off mobile data always active. Move back from here and search for reset. Tap on reset. Tap reset. Tap reset network settings. Tap reset settings. Unlock your phone and tap on reset. Once it's completed, move back from here and open your connection. Tap on Wi-Fi. Now type your Wi-Fi password and connect your phone with your Wi-Fi network. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.